You are what you eat. We've all heard this phrase before, but how many of us actually follow it? Your body gets its nutrients from the food you consume, and your brain is no exception. In fact, your brain needs a constant supply of vital nutrients to function properly. This means that what you put into your body directly affects your brain health. So, if you want a sharp, focused mind, it's time to take a closer look at your diet. Today, we're going to share some delicious and easy-to-make recipes that are packed with nutrients known for their cognitive benefits. These dishes are not only good for your brain, but also for your overall health. So get ready to give your brain the nourishment it needs to stay sharp, focused, and healthy. Starting off with number 1, avocado smoothie bowl. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can improve blood flow to the brain and boost cognitive performance. They also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect against age-related cognitive decline. To make an avocado smoothie bowl, blend half an avocado with 1 cup of berries that could be mixed berries or your favorite combination. Add 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of water. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with granola, nuts and seeds, shredded coconut, and fresh fruit. This recipe is not only delicious and satisfying, but also provides a great source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support brain health. Number 2, Mediterranean quinoa salad. The Mediterranean diet has been linked to improved cognitive performance and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. One key component of this diet is quinoa, a type of ancient grain that is high in fiber and protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in antioxidants and minerals like magnesium and iron, which can help improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. To make a Mediterranean quinoa salad, combine 1 cup of cooked quinoa with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. Add a simple dressing made with extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. This salad is not only packed with brain-boosting nutrients, but it's also versatile and can be customized to include other vegetables and toppings based on your preferences. Moving on to number 3, salmon with roasted vegetables. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for optimal brain function and have been shown to improve memory and cognitive performance. One of the best sources of omega-3s is salmon, a fatty fish that is high in protein and B vitamins, which can also support brain health. To prepare salmon with roasted vegetables, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and toss your favorite vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Place the vegetables on a baking sheet and roast for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, season a salmon fillet with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices and place it on top of the roasted vegetables. Continue roasting until the salmon is cooked through, about 12 to 15 minutes more. This meal is not only delicious and nutritious, but also provides a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Next up is number 4, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Greek yogurt is a superfood when it comes to brain health as it is high in protein and calcium, which are essential for optimal brain function. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health and have been linked to improved cognitive performance. To make a Greek yogurt parfait, layer Greek yogurt, nuts, and berries in a glass or bowl. For extra protein and healthy fats, drizzle some honey on top for added sweetness and a boost in antioxidants. This recipe is not only convenient and portable but also provides a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Now let's move on to number 5, turkey and spinach stuffed sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy for the brain. They also contain vitamin A, which is important for cognitive function, and have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect against age-related cognitive decline. To make stuffed sweet potatoes, Wash and pierce sweet potatoes with a fork. Microwave them for 5 to 7 minutes or until tender. Scoop out the flesh and mash it with a fork. Mix in ground turkey, chopped spinach, feta cheese, and any desired seasonings. Scoop the mixture back into the potato skins and bake in a preheated oven until heated through. This recipe is not only packed with brain-boosting nutrients, but it's also a great way to add variety to your meals and satisfy your cravings for comfort food. Next on our list is number 6, lentil soup with lemon and herbs. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. They also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. To make lentil soup, sauté chopped onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil. Add lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your favorite herbs and spices. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the lentils are tender. Stir in lemon juice and zest before serving. This recipe is not only nourishing for your brain, but also for your soul, providing a comforting and flavorful meal that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. We now come to number 7, chicken stir-fry with broccoli and brown rice. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, which is essential for brain health and cognitive function. It also contains vitamins and minerals like B6, which can help improve memory and focus. To make chicken stir-fry, cut chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and marinate them in a mixture of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry the chicken with chopped broccoli and other vegetables like carrots and snap peas. Serve the dish over brown rice for a complete meal that's perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. This recipe is not only delicious and satisfying, but also provides a great balance of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that support brain health. Next up is number 8, whole wheat toast with almond butter and berries. Whole grains like whole wheat bread are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, which can provide long-lasting energy for the brain. They also contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, which can help protect against cognitive decline and improve memory. To make whole wheat toast with almond butter and berries, toast a slice of whole wheat bread and spread almond butter on top. Top with sliced bananas or berries and drizzle honey for added sweetness. This snack is not only delicious and convenient, but also provides a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars that support brain health. Moving on to number 9, shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Shrimp are a great source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for optimal brain function and have been shown to improve memory and cognitive performance. They also contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and B12, which can help support cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. To make shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles, sauté shrimp with garlic and butter. Add white wine and lemon juice and bring the mixture to a simmer. While the shrimp cook, use a vegetable peeler to create zucchini noodles. Toss the zucchini noodles with the shrimp scampi sauce and serve. This recipe is not only a delicious and nutritious meal, but it's also a great way to add variety to your diet and try new ingredients. Last but certainly not least is number 10, chili with beans and whole grain bread. Chili is a hearty and flavorful dish that is packed with nutrients that support brain health. Beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which has been shown to improve cognitive performance and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. To make chili, brown ground turkey or beef and add chopped onions, garlic, and chili powder. Stir in kidney beans, black beans, and diced tomatoes and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until the flavors have melded. Serve the chili with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of cheese, and pair it with a slice of whole grain bread for a complete meal that's perfect for a cozy night in. This recipe is not only comforting and satisfying, but also provides a great balance of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that support brain health. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 nutrient-rich recipes into your diet can help nourish your brain and support optimal cognitive function. From avocado smoothie bowls to shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles, there is a wide variety of delicious and easy-to-make dishes that you can enjoy while giving your brain the nourishment it needs to stay sharp, focused, and healthy. Remember that your brain is the most important organ in your body, and it deserves the best fuel possible to function at its best. So go ahead and give your brain the love it needs by trying out these recipes and reaping the delicious benefits.